Good morning, everyone. Happy last week of e-learning. So this week, you guys can either do extra credit or you can turn in your missing or late assignments. You have a choice. You do not have to do this extra credit. It's optional. So if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. I'm going to give you this Google Doc every day this week. Nothing's going to change. You're going to have the same two options for extra credit. So there's going to be no changes this week. It's going to be the same thing. So if you want to do extra credit, you can do a YouTube video review. That's option number 1. So just in case you guys don't know how to copy and paste the link, I just have an example for you. I just did something with Michael Jordan. So you go up here, you copy, and paste your link. And then underneath, I want you to give me 3 to 5 sentences like we've already done. You guys have done reviews for me before. You can tell me why you chose this video, what are they doing, did you choose basketball because you like to play basketball? And of course, it doesn't have to be basketball. That was just an example. You can do workout videos like we've done before, sports, anything that deals with physical activity. So that is option number 1. And again, make sure your YouTube video is appropriate for school. And you should all know what that means. And option number 2 is an activity log. So I'm not giving you a long Google Doc like before. All you need to do is, let's say you walked your dog. Just say, I walked my dog for 15 minutes last night. Or yesterday or whatever. That's just an example. So that's all you have to do for the activity log part. Each of these are going to be 10 points, okay? You're not doing both. You're going to choose one only, okay? Now, if you want me to add those 10 points onto an assignment that you didn't do that well on, then let me know that. So, again, let's say I walked my dog for 15 minutes yesterday. Come down here and say, please add to an assignment. Okay? That's all you need to put. If you do not put that, then I'm just going to go and put it in the spaces I'm going to make for extra credit. You'll have extra credits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you don't really care where your extra credit goes, you don't have to put anything at all. But if there's a grade that you want to get a little higher, maybe you made a 0 or a 50 or something, if you want that extra credit to go to a specific assignment, then you can put that too. For example, you can say, I would like this extra credit to go to, let's say, activity log 1. Okay? So you can either tell me what specific assignment you want it to go to, or you want me just to go in and put the extra points to assignments that are a little bit lower than others, or if you just want me to add it into the extra credit columns in the gradebook, then you don't have to put anything, okay? So that's it. If you don't want to do the extra credit, don't turn in a Google Doc. It'll say missing in Google Classroom, but you're not going to get a 0 for it. You're just not going to get extra credit. So you can do the activity log or a YouTube review. Please make sure your video is appropriate or you will get 0 credit. So if you have any questions, email me and I'll be happy to answer. So that's it. Again, you do not have to do this extra credit. You can turn this in blank and you're not going to get penalized for it. Or if you would rather take this week to catch up on your work and turn in missing or late assignments, you can do that too. So that's all we're doing this week. Remind me if you are turning in late work, and remember to take attendance each day and just email me if you have any questions.